Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for our 2018-19 Trilogy 2 box number 4. I'm going to quickly show the teams. I'm going to get this going. There are the teams. Times here is 9:46. 9:46. Hey, what's up, Randy? How you doing, man? SP Game News next week, guys. It might be pushed back, I think, till 29. Not 100% sure. I gotta confirm this tomorrow. Right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1. Good luck. Robert Thomas for St. Louis. Riley Smith for Las Vegas. Brad Marchand for Boston. Kopitar for the Kangs, number to 425. Austin Matthews. Come on. Oh, Casey Middlestad for Buffalo. What are we in here? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 more packs, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. See how our first box looks. Jonathan Marcelo. It's a jersey number to 201. Oh, fatty. Oh, Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame inductee. Class of 2003. Grant Fuhr for Edmonton. Who has Edmonton? Trevor. Boom. This is a nice puck right here, man. For Edmonton. Nice puck. Jonathan Marchessault. Oh, Dylan Sakura, level 2, number to 178. Black version. Black version. And we have Austin Matthews, number 2, 799. Evan Bouchard, Edmonton. Brad Marchand. Oh, base card in the wrong place. Brad Marchand for Boston. Autograph, level 2, number to 20. Ooh, level 2 still, though. Robert Thomas for St. Louis. Who had St. Louis? Who had Chicago? Chicago was Derek. St. Louis is Trevor. Not bad. Number 220. Evan Bouchard. Yeah, you hit this. You have Chicago, right? Yeah, you hit this. Number to 178, level 2. Dylan Sakura. Patrick Laine for the Jets. All right, last pack mojo. No big mojo here. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, Edmonton. That's it for that, guys. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate the support. I got some more Trilogy. I posted number 5 already. If you guys are interested, we could do it tonight. And I have some Black Diamond for tomorrow. And I'm going to have some Cup, I think, for tomorrow as well. Well, thank you very much, guys. I appreciate the support. You guys have a good night.